Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you, in the latest Aimogen update you will be benefiting of many more AI models which have vision support. So until now only some OpenAI models were benefiting of the vision support from OpenAI, but in the latest update of Aimogen I added support for vision to many other AI service providers and their models they are supporting which have vision. So these will be able to be used also in Aimogen in the chatbot. So let us get started and let me show you how to use this. So first of all, I want to show you that Azure got also vision support. So we have Microsoft Azure here, and let's set up an assistant. So assistants have vision support, Azure Assistant, and let's select a model which has vision support. So for example, GPT40 Mini, and let's go ahead and save this new assistant. And here in the settings, note that I have set up all the settings. I have Anthropic Claude, Google Perplexity, Grok, OpenRouter, Hugging Face, and Ollama set up, all with their respective API keys. Okay, and I will show each of them which are supported. So now let's go to AI Chatbot, and in the API parameters select the new Azure Assistant that we created. And you will see that we can enable chatbot vision here. So set vision to on, and now we will be able to use vision. So what is in this image? We can ask the chatbot, and we can select an image here directly in the chatbot and click submit. And the assistant screenshot of a website, author level 10. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use Azure Assistants, but keep in mind that Azure models also are able to be used. So if you wish, you can use GPT40 Mini, but keep in mind these Azure models need to be set up as deployments on your Azure server, and the deployment names need to be added in the API keys here for each deployment separately. So I have set up only the GPT-4 Mini deployment on Azure part, but you can set up any other deployments you wish. What is in this image? We can ask our chatbot again, and now we are using the GPT-40 Mini version, and yeah, we exceeded our rate limit. Let's wait for 10 seconds and refresh and try again. So you might see that the Azure S0 tier has very high rate limits, I mean very low, and they will limit your usage in some cases. So here it is, author level 10, and it recognized the image. Okay. Now we will show you how to use Ollama models which support vision also. So I have my Ollama setup key and setup in the plugin. So because of this, if we scroll down, we will see Ollama models here, and you need to search for models which have vision listed. So Lava 7B from Ollama is supporting vision, and let's select it. And what is in this image? We can ask the same question also Ollama, submit the same image to it, and let's see Ollama what will reply in this case. Computer screen displaying a web page, main focus blog line, code revelation. Yeah, so the text recognition is not that good in this case. Author level 111, it's auto level 10 in the image, but it sort of recognized the image. Okay, now we can check also on some other models that benefit a vision. So we have models from OpenRouter which have vision. So let's use this one, the Llama 3.2 Vision from OpenRouter. Let's save it. From its description, it's actually free, it seems. Okay, so let's say what is in this image, and let's use the same image also in this case. Shows a screenshot of the Code Canyon website where the user has it has its response, only partial response generated. But now let's try again what is in this image. Let's see if this model knows only partial responses or it knows full responses. So yeah, some models might not work as good as others. So with these third-party AI providers, you will need to do some experiments. Let's switch. So you might get better results with some AI providers, and with a badge announced to reach the level, yeah, it is also cut. Okay, no problem. So we can go ahead and use another vision supported models from Claude, for example, because Anthropic was also added. And let's search for Anthropic. Here it is. The vision models are Claude 3.5. So let's set a Claude 3.5 model and actually use the newer one, which is this is the newer. Okay, what is in this image? And let's use the image, submit it. And let's see what Claude will tell us about this image. So the image shows a screenshot, website interface, auto level 10. Yeah, it actually recognized the image really well. So we have also support from Google. So Google has also some vision models. The Gemini 1.5 Flash and Pro models are supporting vision. So let's save the Google AI model and ask it what is in this image. And don't forget to send also the image here. And let's see what Google will tell us about this image. Shows a pop-up notification on a website. So auto level 10. Okay. So as you can see, there will be many models with vision capabilities. You will be seeing the vision in the model listings. You will see OpenAI. You will see Google with vision capabilities. You will see Grok also with vision features. You will see also Anthropic, and you will see also Ollama models with vision, OpenRouter models with vision. Note that OpenRouter models might not have all vision capabilities, although the vision is listed. So be sure to double check on this and check the model card if it has vision. So let me show you also a Grok model, because I'm not sure if I showed you Grok vision feature. So let's switch this to Grok, and what is in this image, and let's select the image. And after we submit this, let's see what we will get. Web browsing session, focus on the block section of the page. Okay, so here it is. This is the latest vision feature of other models than the OpenAI model. And go ahead guys, check it. It is interesting and you can experiment with it. Other AI providers also will be supported now for vision. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching until the end. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. I read and reply to every comment. This is all for today. Bye bye.